Hi everybody, today we're going to start with for loop in Python. And with for loop we can loop from starting point to n minus 1 element. And the for loop will have step. The step means it is a uh, increment. So the increment is an integer. For example, 1 2 3 4 etc. So I open the PyCharm and open the new python test.py and define animals as a variable. The variable is here now. It has some elements, for example cat, dog, um, tiger, lions, lions, or lion, or chicken. So we can loop this array. I use a plural form and animals with s to show that it is an array. We use a for animal in animals for loop an array. So in this case I will print out the animals as a string, and we concatenate a more string by using the string in string length is equal to we concatenate by plus with length of animals. It is a string length of the animal. So after run this, we will give the arrow. The animal is here and the animal here. So we run the Python file and you see the arrow. The arrow is now here because the in cannot be converted to string. So we add str function here and close and rerun it. You can see the result. The result here is cat has string length is 3, dog has string length 3, uh, the tiger also has the string length is 5, and the lion has string length 4, and the chicken, and similarly the chicken has length 7. This is quite clearly to see. So another way you can see here now is range. So for example, the range to n minus 1, the range will range to minus 1. For example, for I is in range 0 to, so it will range from 0 from 1 to 1. So in this case it only one time. For example, we print out as string I, and you run the file. You can see that only one time in the loop. It only run one times in a loop. So if it is now, I will modify it to 1 2 3 1, then 2 3. So the range will come from 1 to 2. Yes, you can see that I is from 1 to 2 because it in element n minus 1. So if we replace it to 9, we run it and you see that it come from 1 to 8. It come from 1 to 8. Yes, it is easier to see in this case. Um, Another example we can see now is a range with step. Step here means the increment. for G in range from 0 to 10, it means from 0 to 9. And with step 2, which step is 2, I print out, I will print out the result as a string G is equal to a concatenated string S3RG. So you can run it and see the result here. We run the Python file and we see it come from 0 to 8. For 0 to 9, so we comment out this for easier to see the result. We comment our answer and we run this again, and you can see that it come from 0 to 8, from which the increment is about 2. So 2 is 2, but is 4 to, yeah, so the step is 2, so the increment is 2. If the step is 3, I can see that each element has a distance of 3. This is very convenient if we can loop in a complicated way. So another way, we can open the terminal and change directory by cd popular to the directory, and you can see that's the Python test we can run by typing Python and Python name. You can have the same result as here. And this is the lesson of today. Thank you very much for your watching. Nice to see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.